Welcome back to Beautyistic. Today we're diving into a unique styling tool that has everyone talking, the Aria Beauty the Twist Flat Iron. If you're like me and love versatility in your hair tools, this one might be just what you've been waiting for. Whether you're aiming for sleek, straight locks, bouncy curls, or even those gorgeous beachy waves, this flat iron promises to deliver it all with one innovative twist. Let's take a closer look at what makes the Aria Beauty Twist Flat Iron stand out. First off, we have the split barrel design, a feature that's truly unique. Unlike your standard flat irons, this one allows you to twist the plates, opening up a world of styling options. From perfectly straight hair to voluminous curls and waves, this flat iron gives you the freedom to explore various textures without needing multiple tools. Now, let's talk about the heart of this flat iron, the tourmaline ceramic plates. They heat up quickly, ensuring smooth styling without the risk of excessive damage to your hair. The ceramic plates help to distribute heat evenly, reducing the risk of hot spots that can cause hair breakage. And the digital display makes it easy to monitor and adjust the temperature anywhere from 248 to 450 degrees F, giving you full control over your styling routine, whether you have fine or thick hair. One feature that I truly appreciate is the memory function. This tool remembers your last temperature setting, which makes it easy to pick up right where you left off. And for safety, the flat iron includes an automatic shut-off feature, which will give you peace of mind, especially when you're in a rush or traveling. Plus, the dual voltage design makes this iron perfect for travel, so whether you're in your home country or abroad, you're covered. I've had the chance to test the Aria Beauty Twist Flat Iron in a few different scenarios, and I have to say, the versatility really shines. Whether I was straightening my hair for a polished look or curling it for a night out, the twist function gave me so many different styles in just minutes. The flat iron's lightweight and ergonomic design made it easy to handle, and the 360-degree swivel cord ensured that I could maneuver it without any tangles. As for the cons, the price might be a consideration for some, especially if you're on a budget. It's a high-end tool with lots of innovative features, so you're definitely paying for the technology and design. However, if you style your hair regularly and love the idea of one tool doing it all, the investment might be worth it. So, how does it compare to other flat irons on the market? When looking at similar tools, many lack the split barrel design that allows for multifunctional styling. While other straighteners may do a decent job straightening or curling, none provide the same level of versatility in one device as the Aria Beauty Twist Flat Iron. For those who love a sleek, high-performance styling tool with thoughtful design features, this could be a game changer. Now, let's talk about value for money. Considering the range of features, dual voltage, memory function, safety features, and ergonomic design, I'd say the price is justified for those who are looking for a flat iron that does it all. But if you're mainly looking for something basic and affordable, there are alternatives that may better suit your needs. In terms of build quality, this flat iron feels durable and reliable. The ceramic plates are smooth and don't feel flimsy, and the construction is solid. Given that it's designed with travel in mind, I'd expect this tool to hold up well over time, provided it's cared for properly. If you've used this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.